Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech InfoCut. Hope you guys doing well. Today I am going to tell you one simple trick. By this trick you can create a shortcut key to open an application or software that you are used to open each and every day for your official or personal work. Suppose you need to work on a particular PowerPoint or Excel or any others application or software every day. For that you have to open that particular file by searching where it is, isn't it? But today I will show you one shortcut key to open that particular file. So suppose I am going to show you, I am going to open the PowerPoint. So write PowerPoint over here, PowerPoint. Here you can see the PowerPoint. So simply just right click on it and open file location. Click on open file location. Then from here you can see Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. Once again right click on it, then go to the properties. Once again click on properties. In Microsoft Office PowerPoint properties page will open. Here you can see there is an option called shortcut key and written Ctrl plus Alt plus anything. So you can just click on this and after that press any keyboard. You can see the last letter has changed. So for that you can, for the PowerPoint you can select like P. So this is Ctrl Alt plus P. So after that you have to click on apply and whatever message will come you click on continue and then click on OK. Then you have to close this window. Then you just click on this. If you want to work on this particular PowerPoint file each and every day, so you no need to go to that PowerPoint file by searching. So you just simply Ctrl Alt and P key simultaneously press on this keyboard, Ctrl Alt P. Then see your PowerPoint page will open automatically. This is how you can open any file or application जो आपको रेगुलर बेसिस में खोलना होता है. So this is very simple trick. Hope this trick will help you in your everyday work. Please do subscribe and share it with others if it will help you. Thank you.